Document Studio is an add-on that helps you merge data from Google Sheets and Google Forms. If you're new to Document Studio, I suggest watching the Getting Started guide. You can find a link to that in the show notes. And if you haven't done so already, please go to documentstudio.pro and install the add-on. So in this example, I'll show you how to create a badge that contains the employee's picture, their name, as well as some information inside a QR code, all using Document Studio. Okay, the first thing we'll do is we'll create a template. So I'll go to my Google Drive and create a blank Google Slide template. So this slide looks good, so it will become our background. And then we'll quickly draw a text box, so this will hold the picture. I'm putting the variable names like profile picture, etc. They are surrounded by double curly braces, which means they are variable fields and they will be merged with the actual data from the Google Sheet. Now we are taking the full canvas for this, and the image will resize in proportion automatically to fit the entire canvas. Then we'll add text boxes for the QR code. I'll also add a logo to the left so that there's some branding in the slide. Okay, all set. Our basic Google Slide template is now ready and we are ready to merge it. So for that, I'll go to my Google spreadsheet and create a new spreadsheet with the data. Now for the images, you can either put the URL of any image that's on the internet here, and it will download and automatically insert the thumbnail of the image inside the Google Slide. Or if you have the images in your Google Drive, you can just put the links of those files inside this column. So that's what I will do. I already have the images in my Google Drive, and I'll just copy the links and paste them into the profile picture column. Now Document Studio includes a built-in function for adding QR codes, but this is available in the Google spreadsheet only once you run the add-on inside the spreadsheet. So I'll go to the add-ons menu and choose Document Studio. Now our QR code function will be immediately available inside the cells, just like any other Google spreadsheet function. So our Google spreadsheet is now ready. I'll go to the Document Studio sidebar, and under the Document Merge section, I'll choose the template that I just created. Next, I'll put the file name for this badge. Now this can again be a variable field, so I'll put name surrounded by double curly braces, and that essentially means that the actual name of the employee will be used for the file name. For the export format, I'll choose PDF. You can use any format. Use Google Slide if you want to edit the badges later manually. Then we go to the Google Drive section and select the folder where we wish to save these finished documents. Next, we go to the merge section and click the run button to start the merge process. Okay, so the merge is now complete. Let's go to Google Drive and you can see that all the merged files are there. Nice, beautiful badges created with absolutely no effort. So this tutorial must have given you some idea of what Document Studio is all about. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to merge data from Google Forms using Document Studio. Thanks.